Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Brainrot, your go-to spot for straightforward stock market news that actually matters to everyday Americans. And if you're anything like me, juggling a 9 to 5, maybe some side hustles, or just watching your 401k, you want the facts without the Wall Street jargon. It's Friday, November 14th, 2025, and the market's looking a bit shaky. Based on this fresh Investopedia breakdown, we've got 5 key things you need to know right now to start your trading day smart. Whether you're in it for quick trades or long-term growth, this could impact your portfolio. Stick around, I'll break it down simply with the exact numbers. Let's dive in. Number 1. Stock futures are plunging, folks, and it's all about that ongoing tech sell-off. Right now, Dow Jones futures are down 0.6%, S&P 500 futures off by 0.9%, and Nasdaq futures? They're tanking 1.4%. That means the Nasdaq could wrap up another losing week if this holds. Big names are hurting too. Nvidia shares are already down 3% in pre-market, and Tesla's dropped more than 4%. Over in crypto, Bitcoin's hit a 6-month low at $94,500 after peaking overnight at $100,400. Even safe havens like gold are slipping 1.8% to $4,120 an ounce. And Treasury yields? The 10-year note's at 4.07%, a dip from yesterday's 4.11%. Why does this hit home? If you're heavy in tech stocks or eyeing crypto for retirement boosts, this volatility could mean buy the dip opportunities or more pain if it spreads. Keep an eye on those opening numbers. Moving to number 2. President Trump is eyeing tariff cuts on everyday food imports to fight rising prices, and this could ease the squeeze at your grocery store. We're talking coffee and bananas here, with deals in the works with Argentina, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Ecuador. Coffee's up 19% year over year, and bananas jumped 7% just last September. Lower tariffs mean potentially cheaper imports, which might cool inflation a tad. For us Americans, that's real relief on the weekly shopping run. But watch how this plays out. Trade talks can swing markets fast. Number 3. Tech giants Microsoft and Amazon are throwing their weight behind a bill to tighten the screws on Nvidia's chip sales to China. It's called the GAIN AI Act, and it would force U.S. approval for any sales to China or other embargoed countries. Nvidia's been lobbying hard for more access to that huge Chinese market, but restrictions are biting. This could ripple through AI stocks. If you're invested in the chip wars, it might slow Nvidia's growth overseas. Smart move for national security, but it underscores how global tensions affect our tech-heavy portfolios. Number 4. Hollywood's heating up with big merger buzz. Paramount's gearing up to bid for the whole Warner Brothers Discovery. That's HBO, CNN, TNT, and all those blockbuster movie and TV studios. Comcast and Netflix? They're circling mainly the studios and HBO Max streaming side. Warner Brothers Discovery shares are already up nearly 3% in pre-market on the news. As Americans who binge Netflix or catch CNN, this could mean fewer choices or bigger content bundles down the line. If you're in media stocks, this one's a wild card for consolidation plays. Finally, number 5. Ouch! StubHub shares are diving 19% before the open after execs skipped guidance for the current quarter. They beat sales estimates, sure, but posted a whopping $1.3 billion net loss, thanks to a $1.4 billion comp charge from their September IPO. Shares closed Thursday at $18.82, already 20% off that $23.50 IPO price. If you're into event stocks or tickets for that next concert, this highlights IPO hangover risks. Not a total bust, but a reminder. Earnings surprises can tank even hot names quick. There you have it, your 5 essential updates to navigate Friday's market open. Futures are red, tariffs might help your coffee budget, AI export drama, media megadeals, and StubHub stumbles. As always, this isn't advice. Do your homework and maybe chat with a financial advisor before trading. What do you think? Buy the tech dip or hold tight? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if this saved you time, and subscribe for daily market breakdowns tailored for us regular folks. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Stay smart out there.